Yeah, what's up? We've been teasing this on the main show here a little bit. Join us every single day, by the way, at 8:30, where we go over these notes, like Brendan just mentioned there, about Amazon, about Uber, about DoorDash, Grubhub, all that kind of goodness, right? But yesterday, we heard the news, or this morning, and so right away, we knew that we wanted to go short on Uber, and we actually wrote this down. Look at the 22, right? It's going to be hard to read my chicken scratch, but not great news about Amazon, right, with Grubhub. Should stay red today. So if you're going to look up here, this would have put Uber green today, right, up to 22.60. I was like, you know what? How could this possibly be good news for Uber? And you don't see it on here, but the NASDAQ's up 1% even right now, and Uber's still down 4%. So we nailed Uber today, right? And we didn't think it was going to go red. And then we said, watch out for this 22 level. We just wanted to short that. We came in and we were bouncing around a little bit at that 22. We can actually just go to the chart right here. So this was 22 bucks right into here, a little bit higher. So we came in today looking to short this name. And when we sat down, we were below $22. So we thought, okay, look, if we're going to put on a big position, let's just do it at 22 flat. So we let the market open up, and then here we go. So we start small here, right? We get a little bit of a bump up. Look at the time. This is 8:50, 8:30, things like that. Starting to get in position. We went up taking a little bit of profit. Then the market opens up, and this tends to happen on earnings plays, on like any kind of a news catalyst like this. There's a little bit up and down early, right? So here goes Uber. Look at that first wick. Like it goes down to 21.30, believe it or not. Then it comes all the way back up. It gives us, are you kidding me? Gives me that 22 short. Okay, we'll take that. And then it just starts to cash in, getting our first piece out, 21.70, 21.60, 21.50, all the way down here, 21.40. And then this is where we started to base out. So when you're in a short or a long, any position, you're looking to find key levels on where are there buyers and sellers? Where is that push and pull? So down here, demand, supply and demand, they didn't know how to figure that out. Kept trying to make lows, no. Kept trying to go higher, no. Then eventually it pushes up again, and then I'm like, okay, we'll take 22s again. What has changed? Nothing has changed, right? So we get it again, average, 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 all the way in. And then look what happens within the same, these are minute candles. Within 1 minute, all the way back in again. And then we start to base out here. So then we get some more out, let it go, boom, to the downside. And we are actually still short Uber. The reason why we're still short, we should have got some out there and noticed that this bottom was here. We actually talked about this on the show. Unfortunately, we had Fed minutes come out, and that kind of created a little bit of push and pull here. You can see some volume picking back up. But if I do a little bit more work here, 21 is what I've been waiting for. So we are getting a little greedy on this. I don't think 21 hits now. There's only an hour left in this market, but you can see where we started the day before. So yesterday, we started at 21. We had a huge bump up for a lot of these beat down names. So I was thinking that, hey, today, we should be able to come back in on some negative news. So Uber today, there's us going green today. We didn't think that was going to happen. So again, shorting 22, our out was going to be around there, man, 22.60, 22.70. So we had to be able to hold it at least at 70 cents down, which we've done here. But again, taking a little bit of profit, scalping it out. You can't be wrong when you take out profit. So that's what we're thinking about. I'll try it again if we get into this 21.80 level, but I don't think we'll see $22 again. Maybe tomorrow, but definitely not today. It's Uber. It's off your sticky note. It's off our watch list as well, and it's your trade of the day.